As a New Jersey resident working in New York City in 2025, you'll need to navigate tax obligations in both states. Here's a breakdown. New York State taxes. Non-resident income tax. Since you earn income in New York, you're required to file a New York State non-resident income tax return and pay taxes on the income earned there. New Jersey taxes. Resident income tax. As a New Jersey resident, you must report all worldwide income, including that earned in New York, on your New Jersey resident tax return. Avoiding double taxation. Credit for taxes paid to other jurisdictions. To prevent double taxation, New Jersey offers a credit for taxes paid to other states. After filing your New York non-resident return and paying the applicable taxes, you can claim this credit on your New Jersey return, reducing your New Jersey tax liability by the amount paid to New York. New York City taxes. City income tax. Non-residents are generally exempt from New York City personal income tax. Therefore, as a New Jersey resident, you won't owe NYC income tax, even if you work in the city. Commuter considerations. Metropolitan Commuter Transportation Mobility Tax. While this tax primarily affects employers, self-employed individuals with net earnings over $50,000 from activities in the Metropolitan Commuter Transportation District may be subject to the MCTMT filing sequence. New York non-resident return. Complete your New York State non-resident tax return first to determine the tax paid. New Jersey resident return. Use the information from your New York return to claim the credit for taxes paid when filing your New Jersey resident return. By following this process, you can fulfill your tax obligations in both states without being taxed twice on the same income.